In this video, we are going to take a look at how to install Google Play Store on your Windows 11 PC and run Android apps smoothly. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Arnav, your host from Tech Arena. And when Windows 11 was announced, people were really excited to see Android apps supported on Windows 11. But as soon as it got rolled out, it was only available in the US. That too, you have to have the Amazon App Store. But no worries, I'm going to show you how to install Google Play Store on your device no matter wherever you live in this world, and also the steps are pretty simple. But before starting out, you have to make sure to check some things, and let me tell you. First, go to your search bar and type Windows Subsystem for Android. Now, if you have any app like that already installed, make sure to uninstall that application first. Next, you have to enable virtualization, and for that you have to go to your BIOS settings and enable SVM. So in my motherboard, it's written as SVM, and my motherboard is an MSI Tomahawk B450. The settings may vary depending upon the manufacturer of your motherboard, so you have to check online on how to enable virtualization on your motherboard. Now, there's a link in the description below. You have to download it in order to install that. Now, don't worry, it is not any malware or something like that. It's just a simple code in order for this Windows Subsystem for Android to work, which is an official emulator by Microsoft to run Android apps on Windows 11 natively. But before you download, you need to check the architecture of your CPU, and in order to do that, you have to go to your Windows 11 settings, click on System and navigate to About. So in that, there is an option called as System Type, where it will be written x64 based processor or x86 based processor. If it's written like that, you have to download the file which is in x64 folder in the link that I've given below. Or if it's written ARM based processor, then you have to download the file which is inside the ARM folder on the link that I've given in the description below. After downloading it, you have to extract all the files onto your desktop. Now, before moving on, you need to enable developer mode in your Windows 11 PC. In order to do that, just go to your settings and search developer mode and turn on developer mode. Next, open the extracted file and right click on the install icon and select run with PowerShell. Now you need to wait until the process gets complete, and after it's complete, it will show that press any key to exit, so you can press any key to exit. Now you need to go to your Windows search bar and type Windows Subsystem for Android. Now wait until it gets opened, and after it's opened, click on developer mode and click on manage settings. Now after doing all these things, go to your Windows search bar and type Google Play Store, and boom, there you have it, Google Play Store on your Windows 11 PC. Now it will take some time for it to update itself, and after it's updated, you have to sign in with your Google account and you can start downloading any Android applications on your Windows 11 PC. So as you can see, I am using Instagram. I am also scrolling and searching for other apps. Now there are some caveats while installing Google Play Store on your Windows 11 device, and let me start explaining one by one. Number one, you cannot find certain apps in the Google Play Store when you install it on your Windows 11 PC. Apps like BGMI, apps like Moj, which is a short video platform in India. For some reason, I'm not able to find all these applications. I don't know why, but maybe in the future, possibly we'll be able to find all these applications. And number two, Instagram. Well, it works on most part, but sometimes it crashes randomly. Sometimes when you play reels in it, the audio is a bit laggy. So there are some bugs in the Instagram application, but it doesn't happen all the time. It happens only occasionally. So don't worry, you can install Instagram and use it seamlessly. So there you have it, Google Play Store on your Windows 11 computer. Try this at your home, and if you face any problem, do comment down your opinion in the comments section below. And as always, if you enjoy watching my content, a like to this video would be absolutely great. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. It's pretty simple. Just click the red color subscribe button until it turns gray, and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post any new video on my channel. So this is me, Arnav, signing off from the video. Until the next one, stay home, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.